In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ElevenLabs and n8n. We'll connect your ElevenLabs account to n8n, add secure credentials, and build a simple flow that turns incoming text into spoken audio. By the end, you'll be able to test the conversion and see the audio file natively inside n8n. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account. You'll need access to the API area of your dashboard. Once you're in, open the section where API keys are managed and copy your API key. Treat it like a password, don't share it publicly, and rotate it if you think it's ever been exposed. A password manager is a great place to store it safely. Now switch over to your n8n instance. Open the credentials page, choose Add Credential, and search for ElevenLabs. Select the ElevenLabs credential type, give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, and paste your API key into the API key field. Save the credential. This is what allows any ElevenLabs node in your workflows to authenticate without exposing the key in plain text. Next, start a new workflow with either a manual trigger or a webhook. Manual trigger is perfect for quick testing from inside the editor. Webhook is ideal when you want to receive text from an external app or service. Either way, this first node will supply the text that you'll convert to speech. Add the ElevenLabs node to the canvas and connect it after your trigger. In the node settings, choose the resource you want to work with, speech or voice. For converting text into audio, pick the option that aligns with text to speech, then set the operation to text to speech. Select a voice. You can use a voice from the dropdown or paste a specific voice ID you've copied from your ElevenLabs dashboard. If you're experimenting, start with a default voice. If you have a custom voice, use its ID for consistent results. In the text field, map the input coming from your trigger node. Use the expression editor to reference the correct data path, for example, the field where your text lives. This ensures the node dynamically reads whatever text arrives from your trigger. When everything looks good, click Test Step on the ElevenLabs node. n8n will send the request to ElevenLabs and return an audio file as binary data. In the execution preview, open the binary tab to confirm the file name, size, and MIME type. That's your generated speech, and that's it. You've securely connected ElevenLabs to n8n, mapped incoming text, selected a voice, and generated audio you can use downstream. Save your workflow, and you're ready to integrate it into your automations.